Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I prepare this delicious recipe. All you need is your fish. I'm using salmon fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Go ahead, season it with garlic, ginger, pepper, onions, any spice that you love in a fish. Go ahead and season your fish, transfer it into another bowl, and add extra pepper at the back. And next I'm just going to use my fryer. I put a little bit of oil. So if you don't want to fry, you can also use your oven or your air fryer. Then add a little bit of onion, just go ahead and flip it. So allow it to fry like 5 minutes before flipping it. Next, I have my blender. I will be blending avocado. I'm using 1.5 avocado. If today is your first time coming across my video, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments. Like, this recipe is delicious. So this is our blended avocado cream. It's ready. While our fish is also ready, we're just going to take the fish off the pan. And I'm not using this pan, I'm going to use a smaller pan. This is an electric fry pan and it's too big. I add a little bit of oil to my pot, then I pour the cream and add a little bit of water, salt, and next I'm chopping my parsley leaf. I add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of more salt for taste. And I add a little bit of water because the stove is very high. And go ahead and put your fish. It tastes delicious. And after this, I'll be making our cucumber salad. So if you know you want to diet, if you know you want to watch your weight, this recipe is for you. And I added my parsley leaf. If you know you want to eat healthy, this video is for you. And here is my cucumber. Just go ahead, peel off the skin, but if you don't like peeling the skin, it's fine, it's your choice. Then chop your cucumber into pieces of your choice. I always say choice because this is my choice. Guys, if you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and drop your comment. Don't forget to like and support me. by commenting. And this is the half avocado that is remaining. Just going to add it to my cucumber that I've chopped. Yeah, I'm just going to melt the avocado because I'm not going to use cream. I'm not going to use salad cream. Just going to add some yogurt to the avocado. So this recipe is delicious and healthy. Try it out. After eating this avocado salad, you feel refreshed because it's full of water, full of vitamin, and the fish contains omega-3 fats, so it's wonderful and it's healthy. So if you're going for diet, in fact, it can take you for the whole day without getting hungry. Guys, this is it. Look, this is it. Nothing much. I'm not adding too much taste to the salad. I'm just going to take our fish. Our food is ready. I'm just going to dish it and I'm going to try it out. Guys, thank you for watching. Love you. See